Okay guys, okay, so feedback video. Let's look at the task first. Okay, so the process of a rooftop solar system. Okay, so here's our graphic, how a solar energy system works. Okay, right, so I'm going to steal this. Okay, I'm going to use that as my title. Yeah. Is it plagiarism? Well, it's only a title, yeah, so it's not such a big issue, I think. Right. Okay, so an introductory paragraph. Let me try an introductory paragraph. Solar panels have become more common. Have become more common over recent years. It is normal here in Turkey to often see homes with solar panels on their roofs. Okay? Right, now I'm going to center this. Come on, come on, come on. Ay, ay, ay. Finally. And let me make it a bit bigger for you, okay? Right, now, do we have a statistic anywhere? Okay, so So I'm going to use one of these. Hamburg. A sunny location receives. Okay, so a sunny location. All right, so like the south of Turkey. Often receives approximately 5.5 hours of daylight a day. Marcel, 2014. Okay, he doesn't specifically say the south of Turkey, but he says a sunny location. Okay, and the south of Turkey is a sunny location. And just 1 out of all of the energy from the sun is enough to power now, do I want another citation here? Solar energy systems. Okay, we've got a lot of data here. I just want to use one piece. I don't really want to use 2 or 3. The south of Turkey also. Okay, so it is normal here in Turkey to often see homes with solar panels. The south of Turkey often receives. And okay, good. Panels has 6 stages, starting with capturing the solar energy and finishing with both consumption in the home and sending the excess energy to other consumers. Okay, so there we go. So that's my introductory paragraph done. Yeah? Right, okay, so firstly, solar energy is captured by the solar panels. Easy. Yeah, solar energy. Do I need to say from the sun? From the sun is captured by the solar panels, which are often on the roofs of houses. Okay, so a bit more expansion here. Yeah. Then the inverter. What's the job of the inverter? So converts DC to AC. Then the inverter converts the DC electric current to AC electric current. Okay. AC current can be used in the home. Okay. In the third stage, what happens in the third stage? So distribution. The electricity, the generated electricity is distributed to appliances in the home. I don't have an apple, Charlie. Okay, can you? At home we have. Okay, can you go away, please? Thank you. Now, things get a bit more complicated here because it splits. In the third stage, the generated electricity is distributed to appliances in the home. Okay, so number 4. Net meter. Okay, so alternatively, surplus electricity can be exported to other consumers, but before this, the amount of energy which is exported needs to be measured. So a net meter doesn't calculate, does it? It kind of counts how much surplus electricity is sent to the grid. Okay, there we go. That's our body paragraph. In conclusion, although the process of energy generation has only 6 stages, each one of them is very important, and every stage is complicated. Okay, so each stage is important, and every stage, meh. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Although the process of energy, each one of them is very important, I predict that as the cost of the installation of solar panels continues to fall, solar panel installation will continue to grow. Okay, so as costs fall, we will see more solar panels. I recommend that governments around the world, but especially in hotter climate countries, provide subsidies to allow people to install more solar panels on their homes. This will help the environment. Okay, so there we go. So there's my attempt at this essay. So I've got 3 body paragraphs: introduction, body, and conclusion. I've got a citation here with a year. I've got a nice thesis statement here. I've got a bit of background information. I've got a statistic here. Yeah, this is my body paragraph. Firstly, then in the 3rd stage, alternatively. The grammar is very well controlled throughout. In conclusion, so this is well signposted. Okay, so we've got a prediction here, and we've got a recommendation. Yeah? And of course, reference list. Can I just do that? Can I just, no. Can I do this? Yes. Okay, there we go. That's my reference list. Yeah, that's fine. Right, so that's my example. Let me save this. Maybe I will publish this for you. Writing 3. Okay, so let me save this here. David's example. Right, now let's see how you have done. Okay, so I'm going to be starting here. I'll start with DW3A. I'll start in this order, okay? And then if I have time, I will start the 2nd class. Right, let's go. Right, BURCAK. Okay, now let's have this much bigger. Oi, but let's still have it over here. Okay, right, how a solar energy system works. Okay, very, very good. Yeah, very, very good. What I would do this, and I would check our spelling. Following, I just saw. Right, okay, so from the top. Right, we don't need everything bold. So, in nowadays world, okay, nowadays, in today's, okay, let's do this. So, in today's world, yes, not nowadays. Energy sources are running out, so people are taking action to avoid the possible consequences that they may be exposed to. The solar energy system, okay, I don't know why this is in capitals, is part of this action very efficient. Okay, good. Right, we don't need the initial. Solar modules, okay, good. Good. Okay, good. Yeah. Very nice title and a good introductory paragraph. Very good. Well done. Right, so first of all, okay, so good signposting. Is collected, okay, good, so good use of passive. Secondly, the current, which is in direct form, good. The electricity that converted, that has been transformed. Okay, we need passive here. Is transmitted. After that, After that, the electricity which is in the distribution box has been, not has been, just present simple, please, just is dispersed. Next, the electricity which is consumed. Okay, so again, passive here, please. Is evaluated by the net meter. I don't know why this is in capitals. It's not evaluated. That's not the best choice of words. Yeah? It's kind of counted. Is exported to the grid. Okay, good. Again, I don't know why this is in capitals. Is a significant part of sustainable development and takes importance. Takes importance for the environment. Not the best use of words. Takes importance for the environment. If you can find something better, please do that. That's not the best. Takes importance for the environment. And how about this? Considers the environment. It must spread as much as it could because humanity may struggle one day with finding sources and using the solar. Okay, please, no capitals. Could avoid this. People think that this will become popular in the following years. Humanity will realize that renewable resources have major importance. Okay, good. Yeah, good. No big problems. No big problems. A few grammatical problems, a few word choice problems. BURCAK, that's a nice essay. That's a nice essay, yeah? In today's world, please. In today's world. Yeah? That's nice. You've got 3 clear paragraphs. You've got some beautiful signposting here. Yeah, it's very well done. You've got a very good introduction. Super. Okay, next, let's have a look at YASIN. YASIN, layout, margins, narrow margins, please. Oh, you've got now. Okay, so according to Massel, okay, good, right. Process of energy, okay, good. Right, so we've got 3 paragraphs. We've got a reference list. Good. To summarize, okay, good. Right, let's have a start. So, good title. Well done. That's nice. Electricity is an important resource that we use in many parts. There are many types of electricity that are used. Good. For example, higher voltage electricity is used. Okay. Okay. Good. If the solar system, be careful, okay? This isn't about a solar system. It's about a solar energy system. Yeah? Solar system is something like, you know, Venus and Mercury and Mars. That's the solar system. We are just interested in a solar energy system. Okay, so can absorb energy from the sun for only 1 hour. It is equal. Okay, good. The first step is to absorb the sunshines. The first step is to absorb the sunshine with solar panel, and in the last step, it is transmitted to city lines. Okay, good. Right, first of all, okay. Solar rays are absorbed by the solar panels, and this absorbed energy is sent. Very nice, okay, very good. Very, very good sentence. The ready to use, okay, good. Right, so you've got 2 stages here, yes? It is sent to the inverter to be converted. It's converted into AC, so alternating current. Okay, so I think we need this here, AC, electrical energy. The ready to use, very, very nice. Okay, very, very nice grammar here. It's first used for the needs of the house, built on it. It is the distribution box that provides its distribution, which first gives super. Perfect. Very, very good grammar. Very good grammar. Finally, the determined surplus energy. Super. Very, very, very good body paragraph. Well done. Very nice. To summarize, you can learn the whole process by examining the electricity generation from the sun. In addition, it's very cost effective. We don't have information. We don't have this information. States? Why states? States should support. States? Have you copy-pasted this? Like American states, like Georgia and Florida and Alabama? Why? Why states here? We're in Turkey. Do you mean countries? Yeah, that's curious. Maybe you've plagiarized this. I'll run this through Turnitin. Okay, looks very, very good. Yeah, we've got a super title. 1, 2, 3 very clear body paragraphs. Maybe a prediction here would be useful. You've got a recommendation, but maybe a prediction would be useful here. Yeah, just to add one more sentence. But very good. How many words? 263. Super. Well done, Yasin. Okay, EREN. EREN. Layout, margins, narrow margins, please. Okay, I can see a quote in your conclusion, which is not what I want to be seeing. Yeah? Okay, not in the conclusion. We don't need the first name. We just need the surname. We do need the year. Yeah? But we shouldn't have this in the conclusion. No new information in the conclusion. Your dictionary is not set to English. This is not the best start. Okay, right, so how a solar energy system works. Okay, good. So why is this capital? At the present time, there are several ways to get... Why is this capital? Electric energy. But this essay is about solar. Why is this in a capital? It's about solar energy and how... Why? Oh. Solar energy system is one of the most popular choice. One of the most, okay? So there's many, so choices. One of the most popular choices. It becomes widespread, okay? So not becomes, it has become. Nowadays, okay? Because we're talking about something that started in the past up through to today, okay? So it has become. Because it is economical. Why is that capital? Why is this capital? Please fix your capitalization. We only need capitals if we're starting a sentence or it's a name of something. This is not a name of something. Consists, okay? If you set your dictionary to English, your word processor will help you with your grammar problems. Yeah, you see? All of these problems. All these spelling problems? Come on, yeah? You're working on computer. We should be able to spell check what we send. Oy. This is not good at all. Collecting sunlights. I shouldn't be doing this. You should be doing this. Look at this. Come on. In conclusion. All of these spelling mistakes because you haven't set your dictionary to English. These energy? Nuh-uh. you must set your dictionary to English. You must spell check your work before you send it to your teacher. Okay, it's not acceptable to send me a document with so many spelling mistakes. The first step is collecting sunlight by solar panels. Is this a new sentence? Solar panels generate. Okay, why do we have two short, simple sentences here? Yeah, can we combine these to make one compound sentence? Sunlight are? No, sunlight is collected by solar panels. Inverter. And this is the second step. Okay, following that, comma, this converted current transferred, okay, is transferred, yeah, passive please, is transferred to the distribution box for storage. Is it stored in the distribution box? And this is the third step. Okay, this is getting a bit repetitive there. This is the second step, this is the third step. It's better to have the signposting at the start. Okay, this is nice. The first step is, yeah. This signposting at the end is not very. It's not very nice. After that, okay, come on, commas please. After our transition signals, after our sequence language. After that, the converted energy is distributing. No, okay, distributed. Oi, so slow. Distributed by the distribution box all around the house for household appliances and devices nearby. This step 4 is completed. The next step is metering the surplus energy because, as it says in the first paragraph, solar energy system, please. Solar energy system is economic because the energy that is used, please, that is used already metered. That is used is already metered. Okay, so that is used is already metered, so that surplus energy is ready to transform, not transform, no. No, transform, no. The surplus energy is transferred, okay, transferred, yes. You've got so many simple mistakes here. For the other consumers, and this is the last step. Please stop this. Get out of this habit. Yeah. Let's have our signposting at the start, please. Okay. Let's have our signposting at the start. Yeah. Look at this. Firstly, then in the third stage. Yeah. Alternatively. Okay. Nice, clear signposting at the start. It's less useful at the end. Because of last step, no one can waste any energy. The last step, no one can waste any energy. The last step, no one, I don't understand. Yeah? Yeah, I don't understand that. In conclusion, solar panels are collecting the sunlight and transfers it to the... okay, I don't need the body paragraph again. Yeah, I don't need all of this. This is detail that you've just given me in the body paragraph. By using them, what is them? These energy, these, many, energy, singular. Okay, right, so some big problems here. Yeah, some really big problems here. First of all, dictionary to English and spell check your document. Yeah. Then, no new information in the conclusion. And then please make these changes. Yeah. Not a strong first draft. But it's okay because it's just a first draft and it's just assignment 1. Yeah, so it's okay. Right, fix that please, EREN. MERVE. How a solar system works. Okay, this is not a question. How does a solar system work? Yeah, that's a question. Or how a solar system works. Yeah, it's not about a solar system, is it? Because a solar system, if I go to Google, this is a solar system. Yeah, we're not interested in a solar system. We're interested in a solar energy system. Right, okay. Hate all of these lines at the end of documents. Right, by using the system, comma. Okay, energy from the sun is the most abundant and freely available. Okay, good. Solar energy systems, please. Energy systems are used in different places by using this system. And even on cloudy days, it produces, it produces 10 to 20% of energy that is produced on sunny days. Okay, all right. Oi, sorry. Okay, 2014, but who? Who said this? Who said this? Yeah? You need to tell me who said this. Generating energy using the solar system, not solar system, please, solar energy system, contains 6 steps in total. I'll begin with collecting sunlight and end with transition. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Solar panels, which are placed on roofs, collect the sunlight from the sun with solar cells. Good. Okay, so nice transition, nice signal language. Secondly, direct current. AC is converted to alternating current. Really? AC, AC. DC. Yeah? By the inverters to be able to be used for appliances and devices to be used by appliances in a house. Then the generated energy comes to a distribution box in order to distribute the energy to, okay, good, to the home. Therefore, this distributed electricity is usable for all the devices. Good. Furthermore, by using net metering, the solar energy system, good, owners are billing for the amount of are billing for the amount of electricity that they added to the grid. Are paid. Finally, the electricity. Okay, good, good, very nice. Well done, well done. To sum up, the fact that to generate, the fact that, the fact that really struggling here. Okay, big problems here, please. Reword that. Yeah. It makes solar energy sustainable and useful for our planet. Moreover, it is considerable as a renewable energy source. Okay, good. What about a prediction? What about a recommendation? Okay, a prediction and a recommendation, please. One sentence, one sentence. Add that here, please. Yeah? Okay, good. Okay, good. This is very problematic. I can't even read that. You've got some small problems here, but generally, MERVE, a nice essay. Well done. Yeah? For your first essay, for your first draft of your first essay, that's a good attempt. Well done. Right, BEYZA. Okay, so a student from my class last term. So I expect good things from you, BEYZA. This is not a good thing. Right, how solar energy panels work. How they work. Okay. Right, let's turn this on. Have you ever looked at the rooftops of solar panels and wondered how they work? These glowing wide windows are actually systems. Okay. Maybe a statistic. We don't need this here, BEYZA. Not in the body paragraph. Let's maybe put this here. As Bashar said, consumers. This quote is too long. Yeah, this quote is too long, BEYZA. Let's try to paraphrase this. Okay, we can quote maybe 5 or 6 words, maximum 10 words. This is too long. Okay, we should be paraphrasing this. This is known as consumers with a grid tiered solar system can send and receive credit. This saves money. Okay, it's just too long, BEYZA. Yeah, this is known as net metering. Yeah, shouldn't be in the body paragraph. Yeah, no quotes in the body paragraph. Body paragraph is just a description of the process. Okay, good. Each panel is made of a glass case and cables surrounded. Good. Okay, good. But do we have this information? Where's our graphic gone? Do we have that information? About glass tubes? All right, okay, so I'm not sure we have this information in the graphic. Yeah, it's not a big problem here. Sunlight is collected on the panels, not on, yeah, by the panels, and is absorbed during daylight hours. Good. After that, good. Is converted into electrical current. Okay. The electricity produced is direct. To alternating. Is direct to alternating. The electricity produced is direct current, but to be used, it needs to be alternating current. Direct current electricity is easily converted by a device. Okay, very nice. Very nice sentence. When solar energy is converted, it passes. Okay, also very good. Very good. Okay, here. Okay, such as, yeah, it's easy to think of examples. Okay, so TVs, washing machines. Unused solar energy is then sent back. It's not sent back to the grid because it didn't come from the grid. Okay, I can go back home because I started at home. I can't send electricity back to the grid because it didn't start in the grid. It started on my roof. Yeah, it's then sent to the grid. Usually provides credit for any excess power. Have you copy pasted this? The electricity distribution company. Okay, that's a good paraphrase. To sum up, since it's renewable energy, it has no harmful effects on the environment, such as smoke, gas, and radiation. It should be preferred. Okay, good. I would add a prediction. Yeah, I would add 1 more sentence, 2 more sentences, a prediction, and then that's good. Yeah, very nice, BEYZA. Very nice. This is a big problem. Yeah, this should be in the introduction, not in the body paragraph. It should not be a quote this long. What's the problem there? No. Okay, good. Well done, BEYZA. Well done. That's a good draft. Yeah, well done. SENA, also a student from my class last term. Very nice narrow margins. Okay, very nice title. How to generate. In today's world, humankind can generate from almost anything. Really? From almost not everything, is it? From anything. From almost anything. We can generate electricity from anything? Really? Yeah, from this pencil in my hand, I can generate energy? Don't think so. But while doing this, sometimes humans damage the world. Etc. Don't do this, okay? It's a bit lazy. The sun is very powerful and adequate for humans. According to... Okay, we can paraphrase this, can't we? We can paraphrase that easily, I think. Yeah? We don't need to quote this verbatim. We can paraphrase that quite easily. This text, Okay, good. Yeah, good paragraph. Good paragraph. I would paraphrase that. Nice and easy, I think, to paraphrase that. Okay, very nice signposting. Good use of passive. And they are generated. They generate direct current. Secondly, the inverter converts direct current to alternating current because direct current cannot be used in the house. Good. Thirdly, the distribution box distributes the energy to different units in the house, such as X, Y, and Z. Okay, such as your TV, your washing machine, your refrigerator. Fourthly, the electrical energy is used. Okay. Okay, so let me shift this down here then. Distributes the energy to different units. I don't understand now what you mean by different units. I thought by different units you meant different appliances, different devices. Is used, distributes the energy. After that, surplus energy, which is not used by the household, is metered. What does that mean? What does that mean? Tell me more about that. Not in your body paragraph. Not in your body paragraph, please. We don't need to quote this. Okay, so here, that's fine. Get rid of that. Surplus energy exported, passive please, is exported to the grid and it is transmitted to other consumers. The household which generated the electricity gets paid for the electricity it sends to the grid. Yeah. Okay, good. Good. Some small problems. Nothing too bad. To sum up, okay, good signposting. Generating electrical energy from solar energy has many stages. I think. Okay, good. Any recommendation? Yeah. Recommendation would be useful. Okay, good. Yeah, nice reference list. Well done. Okay, well done, SENA. Well done, SENA. Nice essay. Okay, KORAY. Last one for today, I think. KORAY, you're my student from last term, okay? You should know that I like narrow margins. No reference list, KORAY, yeah? So no references. Aha. How do we have this if we don't have a reference list? Yeah? This should be in our body paragraph. The process of generation from solar panels. Generation of what? The process of generation from what? What are we generating? Don't know. Not a good title. Let's have a look at some other titles. How a solar energy system works. Okay, easy, simple. It is accepted by everyone that electricity is needed in every circumstance in our life. Okay. Every circumstance? Walking down the street, I need electricity? Don't think so. Yeah? The usage of electricity in our houses is not very cheap because of its production costs, but generating, is coming with a return. Is coming, not is coming, comes with a return if the solar system is grid tied. Okay, very good. As stated, the client can save money. Okay, good. Yeah, this quote fits much better here. To understand how solar panels work, to remind. You're not reminding because this is the first time. This is the first time you're telling me. It is necessary to know. There are 6 steps, and it starts. Okay, good. Yeah. Not a good title. Please fix your title. But this is quite nice. No reference list. Firstly, the solar panel cells are interacted. The cells interact with the sunlight, and the generated electricity is becoming on DC. What does that mean? Is becoming on DC. Don't understand. In houses, the power points use AC, which is an easy way to transmit. Why? Why is it an easy way to transmit? Don't understand. From the central what? Okay, we've got an adjective, we need a noun. From the central something to the devices. Secondly, DC. DC what? Washington DC? What are you talking about? DC what? Becoming on DC? I know that you're talking about DC electricity, direct current, but you're not saying this, yeah, and you need to. DC is converted to AC. What does DC stand for? What does AC stand for? Okay, tell me please. And the process is being accrued with inverters. The process. Secondly, DC is converted to AC by an inverter. After then, or after that? After that, the alternating current, okay, travels to the distribution box. Next, electricity is consumed in home, and the net meter is a way to measure the consumption of current. Of current what? Finally, the surplus electricity is sent to the grid, and last but not least, returned as an income. Okay, all right. Some problems here, KORAY, yeah? Some problems here. In conclusion, energy is had. Energy is had. Energy is a necessity to consume and produce. It's a necessity. Okay, we don't need that. Somehow people, small, had, why past simple? Why is this past simple? People had access to electricity due to providers of electrical energy, but there are places, don't understand. Don't understand. Both sides could prefer solar solution. Both sides? What are these both sides? What are these both sides? Both sides, to consume and produce? Don't understand. From my point of view, if a person who is looking for saving, if a person is looking to save money, solar system solutions are worth evaluating. Okay, good. Prediction and a reference list, please. Yeah. All right, KORAY. Yes, there's some problems here. Please fix those. Send it back. Right. Tomorrow I will look at the others.